People, a lot of things don't happen for the internet space, so as we just close our eyes say we dey observe how the matter take dey go. As e start right now, they say that the Fulani Heřdsmán don circle the whole Nigeria. For those of people wey dey bring videos of how they take dey drop them for different corners all over the city, so recently a group of herdsmen was seen in Owerri town with AK. As e be like this, so a lot of things are going in Imo State where they call Ụmụaka as the non-go men and the police and the military and the people where they call Tiger Base. They say no be small matter they happen for inside the area. We go play some videos come show us things that they happen before we come back come talk more about the video. Stay tuned.
Umuneleni ni obi Owerri, heart of the town, Kanamano. Le ha buchakwa egbe ha. Leni heart of the town. Obi Owerri, the beauty of the town ka hara nama na ata ire gwanene. Odi yo na-eme na 40-40, odi yo na-eme n'obodo ndị ọzọ biko. Lekwe ndị nke na cross Ukwu road. Leni nama. Lezieni le ka nama shi na agari. Leni nama. Leni ka nama shi na agari na road Obi Owerri. Afugole m ebe ya na-eme ni before leni nama na agari. Na town. Leni nama na akpari no Owerri. Pagode ni mu nwanne. Hey, anyo shi every beautiful hotel legodi. Our people. Our people. Ladies, you dey laugh, Abi? You dey laugh? But you can wait to make you carry the cow. He say in this thing don't spoil. He say you carry this cow, enter in farm, spoil in farm. Eh? Concerning our people.
Nigerians. So the Nigerian Air Force don't release a photo of them massacring bandits for Niger State. So this one comes after bandits massacre Nigerian military. Like that's last week. Yeah. Where bandits massacre Nigerian military. So Nigerian Air Force release this photo. Say them Kumado massacre bandits. Like see what they release. Just watch this picture very well. So see what Nigerian Air Force released to us. Say they don't decimate the Boko boys. Just imagine this country, this country not really joke. This country has joke. See what the Air Force released to Nigerians. Say they don't decimate the bandits. Just imagine. See what the Nigerian Air Force released to Nigerians. Say we don't decimate the terrorists. We don't decimate. See what a whole Air Force release. Say a terrorist movement. Their territory. My brother and sisters, so watch this image very well. Not be cow be this. Not be cow. Not be cows be this. Even the one where they pinpoint saying that the terrorist movement. If you check them very well, it's like a black cow be that. It looks like a black cow. Or the person where they lead the cow. Now in Nigeria, Air Force also released to Nigeria and say we don't decimate terrorists. This country na joke. Or lie to lie. Una dey joke. Wana shanu ne mana. Haba. Wana shanu ne. Muta ne Katsina, muta Niger State. Kugeni. gashi. Sun ce wannan ne shine decimated terrorist. Gashi nan. Na tambaye ku wannan abun da aka ba mu yanzu nan an ce we decimated terrorist. Wannan gashi. Decimated wannan ba shanu ne ba. Wannan ba shanu ba. Wannan ba shanu ba. Shanu ne mana. Aka kashe shanu an ce mun we an decimated terrorists. Wannan ba shanu ba. Shanu ne.
And that was why when you are talking about these people agitating for separation, I said the North is ready for separation. We are ready to go. What do we really need? In fact, if you ask me, I will tell you, looking at the arrangement, the structural arrangement of Northern Nigeria today, if the North is not part of the other countries, if today we separated, the North will be far better than it is today. Because why? What are we talking about? The other regions are talking about power control or control of resources. The major resources we are talking about today is oil. It has been discovered in the Lake Chad Basin. That is first greater in quality than the one we have in the other part of Nigeria. Two, it is greater in quantity. The one we have in the other part of Nigeria will be finishing in 15 years. The one that has just been discovered, if harnessed, will last 75 years. So what do we really need? We have a deposit of gold in Birnongwali that is more than the one we are having in South Africa and in Ghana. We have another deposit of gold in Zamfara. That is why you have the bandit in Zamfara. That is why you have those bandits in Birnongwali. Why are we having the Boko Haram, so much Boko Haram problem? It's because of the oil that's been discovered. It is in the Lake Chad Basin. And that was why you see they will never want to have peace in that area, because once you have, the North is going to develop more than you think. And don't forget, the economic power of Nigeria was Northern Nigeria. We were the economic power, we were the economic heart. That was why every time, even the education that the Southerners and the Easterners had, it was from the resources of the North that they were sponsored to go to school and get the education they are having today. So if today, it is not debatable. It is there. If you don't know, I'm telling you,
no,
maybe you don't have knowledge of it.
Maybe what
I am just telling
right
you.
Now is, no, Dr. Let me just,
Sorry for taking your time. Let me conclude on this, because I don't want you to interfere with this until I am done with it. So this is that is why we said the North today is ready for separation, if you call for separation, because if we are separated today, I am telling you, we will grow bigger, we will grow better, we will grow stronger, and we will have better infrastructural development. And in any case, with due respect to other regions, I'm not trying to look down on it, but political administration of Nigeria relies in North. It is only a Northerner that you will give leadership, that he will be fair enough to carry everybody along. So we, like in the past, Sardauna, Zeke and Awolowo said, let's forget our differences when they were discussing with Sardauna. He said, no, let us not forget our differences. Let us discuss our differences, because that is what will guide us towards how best we can lead this nation. This is a Northerner for you. So today, if you said the North, people calling for, agitating for separation, people calling for disintegration, people calling for restructuring, the North is fully prepared. The North is fully ready for either you call it separation or disintegration or restructuring. We are strong enough to stand on our feet. And please, mind you one thing before you cut me. If that is going to happen, because we are Northerners, and everything that has been harnessed in Nigeria has been harnessed with Northern economic power before the discovery of oil. While you are going to have Oduduwa Republic, the others are going to have Biafra. We in the North, we will continue to exist as Nigeria and Nigerians. I am telling you, and we will be better for it. So we are ready for it. And then, if you call for restructuring, power shift, if we all agree to continue to live as Nigerians, fine, we are also ready. We are ready to go. And I will tell you one thing. If you separate, the North will remain as a bloc. Yes, I hear some people say that, like the ones that are calling Middle Belt. I am telling you, even in that, you have only 2 or 3 states out of the 6 states that will be doing that. And even among them, there will be separation. So the North will go as a bloc. But if you give power, if you separate today, first, if you have a Biafra Republic, the Biafra will not stand, because already Niger Deltans are saying we are not going with you.
My people, when I don't hear them, things are really going on in Nigeria as we are speaking right now. That was will bring you this small Bunga news. May you see the latest update what I want drop for here today. Now every villages in Igbo land should organize their youth. Be prepared to defend yourself. Any army, police trying to stop you from defending yourself when the time comes. My people, when I know what you wanna go do, because as you stand this last one, nobody there to defend you. You must stand to defend your land. That is the promise we made to our forefathers, and we must defend ourselves. Look at what is happening in Benue State. Benue State is defenseless, but the same thing they want to do in the east. The Enugu youth should rise up. Imo youth should rise up. Anambra youth should rise up. Abia and Ebonyi. All the whole eastern region, Asaba. Everybody should round up and defend themselves. Now, share this video and drop your own opinion in the comment section.